Success comes from having the vision to see what others cannot see. And you know, there's a lot of people that still haven't seen our vision of where we're going. They haven't got the vision yet. So I'm telling you today, create your own legacy. And I want you to be a hero of your own story. Remember to make those connections every single day. Make a difference in this world. And remember that the power of forever is the power of love. I love you all. Have a great day and a great forever.